The goal is to turn data into information and information into insight. What you do by looking at your data, taking that information that you get and then doing something with it is what's going to move our kids. The first strategy that we're going to be looking at is how we respond to data, more than just pass or fail. So did the student pass this test or not pass the test? Well, yeah, they missed this question, that question, and that question. It's more than that. It's looking at the details and figuring out what it is that the kids missed in this specific problem. It's using that information after we figure out why they missed a problem to address misconceptions after that. So that's what we're going to be looking at, is how we appropriately respond to the data. So we're going to address misconceptions. So that means that there's no more pushing numbers without understanding. There's no more mnemonics where we are teaching kids like poems and tricks that have nothing to do with the mathematics. So for example, dead mice smell bad. Well, dead mice smell bad was a mnemonic for division to help kids to remember the steps. And so remembering the steps is different than understanding the process and why things are happening. So those are the tricks that we sometimes focus on because we want our kids to be successful right now. But thinking about right now, yes, we have to think about that, but we also have to think about what's upcoming, the next school year and into college. We have to think about that. And so we want to make sure that we are doing more than memorizing, and we are using our conceptual knowledge over the memorization. That's where we get the most impact with our kids, and that's how we see the biggest growth from our students.